And Houston Life correspondent Lauren Kelly has her dancing shoes on, ready to sweat it out. Hey, Lauren.
I don't know what you're talking about. Ready to sweat it out? I don't know if you saw our moves. I'm already sweating right now. This is Angie Lawrence. She's the owner of DivaDance Houston.
Yes. Hi, thanks for having me.
Tell us about DivaDance and where we can find it and be a part of it.
Sure. DivaDance is kind of a sexy, sweaty, judgment-free, stress-free.
You say judgment-free. That's a big deal because a lot of ladies don't want to dance in front. They don't want to go to the gym in front of people. So that's great. Okay.
Absolutely. That is our premise, is kind of to create this community where we're judgment-free. There's no stress involved. It is a cardio experience. It's a dance experience, but we're all about creating confidence in women and in the community.
I love it. Who doesn't want to do a sexy dance choreography to their favorite music?
Absolutely.
You know?
That's a part of it, and you don't realize what goes on during that class. Physically, you're sweating. You don't realize it, so you have that cardio piece, but mentally, it's amazing. The endorphins are releasing and all of that.
So tell me where we can have the best way to find your class. Online?
Sure, online. DivaDanceCompany.com.
Okay.
That's where the schedule will be. We're Houston. We're one of 8 franchises now.
Okay.
It's very exciting. We're in Chicago, Philly, Atlanta. Houston just opened mid-February.
Okay.
And so on our website, you'll find our schedule. We're in the Heights. We're in parts of Houston, and then also up in the Woodlands.
What do you say we get Kathy Hernandez and Christina to come over here and learn some choreography?
I would love it. I think they're going to love it.
Hey, girls.
Hi,
I'm going to put this down. Okay. Teach us some choreography right here.
You bet. Okay, girls, we're going to give it a 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 2 8s we're going to hold, and then we're going to go straight in.
Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to give it 1, 2. You're leaning on the right. 3, 4. You're leaning on the left.
I'm with you so far.
Shimmying to the front on 8. You're going to snap your head forward. Then we're going to train backwards. Let's go with the leg closest to the back. Train it. Choo-choo.
Okay.
And then choo-choo. That's 5. That's 1, 2, 3, 4.
5.
We're going to turn 5, 6, 7, pose 8. Any pose you want. Just make it sassy and confident.
It's 2 snaps in Z formation. All right, should we go? Let's try one more time?
Try it.
Okay.
Let's try it.
Ready?
These are just 2 8s. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy. 5, 6, 7. Pop. 8. Shut back. Choo-choo. 3,
oh my gosh.
4. Turn it. 5, 6, 7. And pose.
Pose.
Great.
Okay. I'm not embarrassed. A lot.
But you're doing fabulous.
Houston, Angie Lawrence, thank you so much for coming on.
Thanks for having me.
Don't forget the website one more time.
DivaDanceCompany.com. There's our schedule there. We do bachelorette parties, birthday parties, so come find us.
All right, let's keep practicing. Ready?
All right.
Here we go. 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4. Shimmy. 5, 6, 7. Look. 8. Backwards. 1, 2, 3. Turn it. 5, 6, 7. Pose.
All right, Courtney, Derek, you're coming out here to try this after we're done.
That looks like so much fun. I have to say, you look great, Lauren. You look like a natural. I think the stilettos might add a bit of difficulty to that.
Oh, absolutely. They all look great. Kathy, I love it all.